Hello everyone, and in this series of lecture we'll discuss about the Taylor series. In this numerical method, second topic is your Taylor series. And the Taylor series, they will give a Taylor series. They will give dy by dx differentiation, and you have to consider this dy by dx as a f of x, y. And similarly, like a Picard's law, they will give the initial value conditions. Y of x naught is equal to y naught. So this is your initial value which is given. You have to consider as a y naught, and this is x naught. And the formula of this Taylor series is y of x is equal to y of x naught plus x minus x naught y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught power 2 upon 2 factorial y double dash of x naught plus similarly x minus x naught to the power of 3 by 3 factorial y triple dash of x naught, and so on it will go. X minus x naught to the power of 4 by 4 factorial y 4 of x naught, and so on. So this is your Taylor series formula, where this y dash of x naught is your first derivative, this is second derivative, third derivative, and this is fourth derivative. Up to the how many terms they will give in the mention in the questions, you have to solve. Like example, we will solve with the first questions in the Taylor series. Is given by using the Taylor series, find the value of y at x is equal to 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3. At x is equal to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, you have to find the value of y, and is given dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square, and initial value condition is your 1. Means y naught is equal to 1. We also can rewrite y naught is equal to 1 at x naught is equal to 1. So this is your questions. So by using the Taylor series formula, we know that the formula y of x is equal to y of x naught plus x minus x naught y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught or 2 by 2 factorials y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught to the power of 3 by 3 factorial y triple dash of x naught, and so on. And this question is given up to the third degree. Third degree means we have to find till the third degree. So now we will solve. So first x naught value is here. X naught value is 0. Sorry, this is x naught value is 0. Y naught is equal to 1 at x is not is equal to 0. So we will substitute the value of y of x is equal to y of 0 plus x minus 0 is x y dash of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial y double dash of 0 plus x to the power 3 by 3 factorial y triple dash of 0. So this is your formula. Now first we will find the value of your y dash. Y dash value is y1 values is given already. Y of x is equal to x square plus y square. In this y dash of x, we have to substitute the value of y dash of 0. Y dash of 0 means here only you have to understand y dash of 0 when you are substituting means x is equal to 0, and this y value you have to substitute just preceding differentiation values, which means I am finding for the y dash of 0 means first differentiation values. So I will write x values is 0, 0 square plus y 0 whole square. Y 0 is 1. So y 0 is 1, 1 square is 1. So I will get it here y dash of 0 is 1. Similarly, when I am finding the y double dash of x, first you have to differentiate. Differentiate means x square differentiation is 2x plus y square differentiation is 2y into y1. And now you have to substitute the value of your x, means y double dash of 0. So x value is 0, 2 into 0 plus 2 as it is only. This y nothing is there, means y0 values. Y0 values is 1 into y1. Y1 value is 1 at 0. So you will get the value is 2 here. Similarly, when you are finding for the y triple dash of x, you differentiate first. 2x differentiation is 2 plus 2y into y1. You have to apply the product rule. So 2 is the constant, y into y1 differentiation is y2 plus y1, and y differentiation is again y1, which means y1 square. So we can substitute the value of y triple dash of 0 is equal to 2. There is no any x. So 2 plus 2 into y means y0 1, y2 means this is the value of y2 plus y1 square, which means 1 square. So we'll get it 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. This is your y3. So now we can put the values in the series. You can substitute these values in the series and we'll get the series is y of x is equal to 1 plus x into y dash of 0, which is 1, plus x square by 2 factorial is 2, and y double dash of 0 is 2, plus x to the power 3 by 3 factorial, which is 6, and y3 dash of 0 means 8. So we can cancel, if anything is cancelled here, 2 4 0, 3 0. So we'll get it 1 plus x square plus 4x to the power 3 by 3. This is your y of x. So now we can substitute the value of y of 0.1. So 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 whole square plus 4 into 0.1 to the power 3 by 3. We'll get the value is 1.1113. Similarly, if you find the value of 0.2, we'll get it 0.2 whole square plus 4 into 0.2 q by 3. We'll get the value of 1.2507. Similarly, y of 0.3 also we can find it 1 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 whole square plus 4 into 0.3 or 3 by 3, and that is, you will get it 1.426. So this is the first question for the Taylor series. Another problem will say it one more. So here is the second question, and in this question is given by using the Taylor series find the value of y 4.1, which means x is equal to 4.1, find the value of y, and given the questions dy by dx is equal to 1 by x square plus y, and the initial value condition is given y is equal to 4 at x is equal to 4. You can write here x naught is equal to 4 and y naught is equal to 4. This is the value of your y naught and this is the value of your x naught. So now in this, you know the formula of Taylor series, y of x is equal to, we can write here y of x naught plus x minus x naught, y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole square by 2 factorial y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught to the power of 3 by 3 factorial y triple dash of x naught plus x minus x naught to the power of 4 by 4 factorial y 4 of x naught, and so on. So here x naught value is 4, so we'll substitute it here. So y of 4 plus x minus x naught value is 4 y dash of 4 plus x minus 4 by 2 factorial is 2 y double dash of 4 plus x minus x naught, that is your 4 to the power 3 by 3 factorial is 6 y triple dash of 4 plus x minus 4 to the power of 4 divided by 4 factorial is 24 y4 of 4. So we will find the value of y of 4, y dash of 4, and so on, and substitute in this series. So now first y4 is what? Y4 is equal to already given in the questions, that is your 4. The first value already they will mention in the questions only. So now y dash of 4. So y dash is already given in the questions. Y dash of x is equal to 1 by x square plus 4. So we can find the value of y dash of 4. You can put the values of x is equal to 4 and y value is just preceding values, means your y naught values. What is y naught here? 1 by 4 square plus y naught is 4. So we'll get it 1 by 4 square 16 plus 4, that is 20. So we'll get it 1 by 20. So this one again for the y2 we have to differentiate. So this differentiation it will become complicated. So I will do it here cross multiplication and then we'll differentiate. So you can get it here x square plus y is equal to y dash of x I am representing as a y1 is equal to 1. Okay, I didn't differentiate, I just cross multiply, and in the place of y dash I have written y1. So this is the first derivative only. So if we want to find the second derivative, we have to just apply the product rule. So u as it is only, y1 differentiation is y2 plus y1 as it is only, x square differentiation is 2x and plus y differentiation is y1 is equal to 1 differentiation is 0. So in this we will find the value of y2. So what is the y2 here? X value is 4. 4 square is 16 plus y means y naught value, that is your 4 y2 plus y1 is equal to 1 by 20, 2 into 4 plus y1 value is 1 by 20 is equal to 0. So here if you substitute these values, you will get the value of your y. You can simplify 4 plus 16 is 20 y2 plus 1 by 20, 4 to the 8 plus 1 by 20 is equal to 0. So 20 y2 plus 1 by 20 and 28 160 plus 161 by 20 is equal to 0. So 20 y2 is equal to minus of 161 by 20 into 20. So it's become here y2 is equal to y2 at 4. We'll get the value of minus of 0.02012. Okay, so now these values you can substitute in the series. So we can substitute in the series here. Y of 4 is equal to y double dash of 4, we got it already, to minus of 0.020125. So series becomes y of x is equal to y of 4. Y of 4 is how much? Is 4 only, plus x minus 4 into 0.05. 1 by 20 is 0.05 plus x minus 4 whole square by 2 factorial, that is 2, and y double dash value is minus 0.020125. So this is your series for the given questions. Now if you want to find the value of y of 4.1, you can substitute in the place of x is equal to 4.1. So we'll get it 4 plus 4.1 minus 4 into 0.05 plus 4.1 minus 4 by 2 factorial minus 0.020125, and that value will get it here 4.0049. Thank you for watching.